Meet Steve, the compact on-demand grinder designed to elevate your coffee experience. Let's discover how to get the most out of it and achieve precise results at home. Entirely crafted from stainless steel, Steve embodies precision and durability. Its knob allows micrometric adjustment, and thanks to the display, it gives you full control over both grinding time and degree. To adjust the grinding degree, you just have to rotate the knob while the grinding is running. This is to avoid the burrs to get ruined. We suggest to always make a first test dose to eliminate the residues of the previous grindings and to obtain an impeccable result each time. With Steve, you can set the grinding time for 1 or 2 coffee doses. Just press minus. Then when you see D1, press plus to start modifying one dose. Use minus and plus to adjust it. After 5 seconds, the display will save the setting. To modify 2 doses, select D2 on the display by pressing minus twice at the start and follow the same steps. From the display, and you can view the count of doses dispensed, both partial and total. Now it's time to start grinding. Simply press once on the central plate to grind 1 dose, or press twice to grind 2 doses. If you want to stop your grinding, just press the plus button once. With Steve, you have the possibility to stop grinding your dose by pressing the central panel, and to resume it by pressing it once again within few seconds. You can also decide to use Steve in manual mode. Press minus until you see set. Then press plus until the display show P2. Now you can grind until you keep the plus button or the central panel pressed. After 30 minutes of inactivity, Steve goes into standby as indicated by the display. To restart the grinder, simply press once the activation plate or one of the 2 buttons